YouTube Fleshman 3 got a one package mail day and a little break of Topps Chrome baseball update hanger box. So I'll do the package first. Should be a little Wade PC pickup. Nothing crazy, but cool one I didn't have. Alright. Good packaging. Alright. This is from 07 Chrome. This is the 57-58 variation refractor Dwayne Wade, and it is numbered out of 999. So really cool old school refractor, one that I did not have. So really nice shine. Love the retro look, so definitely a nice one. So cool pickup there. And then a little hanger box rip. Excited for baseball to come back. Saw some different stuff at Target, nothing really crazy, more like Series 1. Some hockey. No real basketball, but figured I'd try one of these. You do get 2 pink waves. So got 5 packs, 4 cards per. But you have a chance to get some really nice stuff, but pretty tough pulls. Looks like we got a die cut Mario Feliciano. We got a Ichiro Platinum Players die cut, Yanoa, and Garrett Whitlock. Couple rookies in that pack. Alright, we did get a pink Kirilloff rookie debut, Luis Garcia debut, Ryan Weathers, and Albert Pujols pink wave. Pretty nice one there. Hall of Famer. Future Hall of Famer. We got a Kelenic. Liam Hendricks. We got a black gold refractor Alec Baum. Jose Devers. And Jared Kelenic. That's the true rookie Chrome. So nice one there. 2 more packs. We got a regular refractor. I believe those are numbered. Jackie Bradley Jr., Ona, Tyler Wells, All-Star Game, Ozzy Albies, refractor. Okay, maybe the All-Star Game ones aren't, but I think the regulars are numbered. Last pack. We got Trevor Larnach, Nate Pearson. We got an extra card. Brad Hand, Rosario, and rookie Jared Kelenic. Rookie debut. So a nice one. Top rookie there. Probably better if it was a regular, but it's a pretty sick card. So not bad on the chrome, some decent rookies. Thanks for watching, and peace.